Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge videos in Windows. Let's start. For example, I have two videos on my desktop that I want to turn into one video. First, open Start menu. Then search Video Editor. After that, open the application. In the first step, select New Video Project. Enter the name of your new video. Then select OK. You have two options to add your videos. You can select Add and choose your file from your device or drag your files here. After that, drag items from the project library here. Great! As you can see, in only 1 second, this program even gives you the ability to edit your video. For example, let me add text during my video. Select text. After that, type your text here. Then choose your font style. Select Done. Also, you can add music during your video. Finally, select Finish Video. In this step, choose your video quality. Select Export. Then select where you want the video to be saved. After that, select Export. Now you can see my new video. Great! I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe in our channel so that you can find a host of clever features and useful tools.